So let's take a look at the issue. And what happened is this snapped off. This is the end of the shaft, the Kickstarter shaft. You can see that the teeth are pretty well rounded. This has already been an issue in the past. It's all gacked up here, all worn away. So to remedy that, a previous owner obviously drilled and then set a roll pin in here so this would stop slipping. That worked, however, it weakened the shaft, and that's exactly where it split. I have drilled a hole through this. I've also drilled a hole through the corresponding shaft on the bike. And my plan is to tap and die. And we are going to put in a fresh screw. And I'm also going to grind away some of this material. And then once this is set in with the screw, I'm going to come in and actually weld it. And then I'm probably going to weld like a line here to give it like a keyway. And then I'll file out a corresponding mark on the kick shaft, and that will be even added strength to the shaft and then make it so it won't slip as well. So that's the plan. Get to the grinder, grind off some material here, and we'll start getting this tapped. All right, check this cool set I found at a garage sale. Check this out, case hardened. Beautiful. Now, I'm going to be the first to admit that I am probably the world's worst welder. But for my given skill, I'm actually really pleased with how this came out. I welded all the way around the seam, and then this piece is just a tack to give me that keyway. I'm going to file this down and get it all fitted. But I tried to mitigate heat as much as possible on this. Right now, it's pretty strong on there, so we'll see how it holds up. Okay, project complete. Now, the idea of this construction method is sound. My execution, time will tell if it's going to be a permanent replacement, a permanent repair, or if I'm going to eventually have to just get a whole new Kickstarter crank. And again, even when you do find these online, one, they're like as expensive as much as I paid for the entire bike. And then two, if you ever see a close-up, they show a close-up of the splines on the replacement pieces, the old takeoff parts. A lot of times they're worn out, so we'll see. We'll see what we're going to do, but let's give it a kick. You can see my little machined keyway in here. I think that's going to hold up well as far as slippage. I don't think I'm going to run into slippage. I know that I put this screw in from the wrong side. It should be coming in from this side, but for whatever reason, I just was able to get the threads lined up on this side easier, so that's what I went with. Let's kick it, send it, see if it pops off or not. All right, I'm gonna be ginger with her here. I mean, should work. All right, time to get some more gas in this and start over. Let's get this thing going. Alrighty, guys. Got everything buttoned back up. Foot pegs on, rear brake is on, kickstart is on there. Got a new fuel line, new fuel filter. It's got fresh gas in it. Turn this on. Battery is charged. Let's get a little bit of starting fluid in here, see if we can get this going. A little more. All right. Let's go. Come on. Let's do this. All right. Let's put the choke on. Make sure this is on. Let's do it nice and easy on this Kickstarter. Come on now. Come on. Oh. Popped again. Come on. Choke off maybe. Come on now. Darn. All right, well, that's old starter fluid. I got some new stuff. See if that changes some things here. Okay. Heard that go into the bowels. Let's do this. Let's get going. We'll put the choke back on. Come on. Why aren't you working? You getting spark? Should be. Okay. Yes, sir. Oh, it is going too. Idle. It's alive! Oh, yes, finally. First time in how long? Who knows? Yes, yes, yes! Alright, I'm on flat tires, but I gotta see if it moves under its own power. Yes, sir! Second gear? Why not? Should probably check to see if I have brakes. Ooh, kinda. Yeah! Hello! Third gear? Why not? Oh, yes! So good! Alright, choke off. Oh, we are moving. That's so good. Yes. Sweet, sweet success. Yeah. Oh, it feels good to get this thing moving. Awesome.